Welcome to the Instagram channel, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to do a quick tutorial here. I got to put this little thing on my eyebrow, do it like that. Fill in all these eyebrows that I do not have. Do it just like this. Make sure they're both even. Look back and forth. And then put this other little makeup underneath my eyebrow. What's it called? I don't know. But let me put this other mechanism up over my eyelid and then look down at the cockroach that's crawling around. Just kidding, no roaches. Okay, and then put this other little darker makeup, yeah, on both sides, not just on one side, on both sides. Okay, now I got to do this color and make it a little bit darker. This is like my third layer already, and I still got 10 more to go. Now I'm going to put this long eyelash, you know, and poke people in the eye. Don't get too close to me as I look. Step one, you squirt it and spill it all over the place and do these stupid little spots all over my face. And then you smear it everywhere. Gosh, I'm such a professional. Step two, I'm fixing to go to war and, make everybody... Jesus, I don't know what I would say about this. Okay, smear it all over the place. Now I look like a totally different color. Actually, it's a little bit better. Yeah, and keep on smearing with this sponge that I bought for $100. And then put another layer on top of that. I don't know. Okay. Still doing it. No more layers. More layers. Now looking like Rambo. I remember this. Just like Rambo. Did I just flick you off? No. Anyways, yeah, more layers and then smear it. More smearing. Yes. And give you a little kiss as I'm smearing and looking up. And more smearing, more smearing. Jesus. And now that it's this makeup, I don't know what it's called, but you know, just go back and look at the video and see what's it called. And more smearing on my cheeks now. Now I'm spraying myself with this mousse. No, it's not. Whatever. No, it's protective mousse. Now I'm just smearing whatever I just sprayed on my face. And now I got to do my lips. Make sure to get the line right. Make them bigger than what they are because I have small lips. And smear them up. There it is. Put another layer on the lips. Make them bigger. Thanks for watching.